Next question. The Prophet Mohammed Sallallahu, alaihe, sallam, we've heard in previous episodes of the series, used to break fast with the dates, and it's therefore highly recommended to break fast with the date. Can you inform us about the medical benefits of dates?
Dates is a wholesome food. Dates contain high level of carbohydrates, 44 to 88%. It has a low fat content, 0.2 to 0.5%. There are about 15 minerals and salts in dates, about 6 vitamins. The protein level is 2.3 to 5.6%. It has a high fiber content, 6.4 to 11.5%, depending upon the different types of dates. And if you realize that because of the high carbohydrate content, it is a very good source of energy. The moment you have date, immediately it gives you energy. It is far better than any other, whether you have the glucose powder, etc. The date gives instant energy, and a person can survive only on dates and water for days and months together. And our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu, alaihe, sallam, there used to be no food for days and weeks together in his house, and he used to survive only on date and water, sometime on date and camel milk. So date is a wholesome food. The fat content, it doesn't increase the weight, hardly any. So there's no risk a person who's afraid, oh, the weight will increase. That's not there. As far as the minerals are concerned, it contains about 15 different minerals. It even contains fluoride, which prevents the tooth decay. It contains selenium, which fights against cancer and increases the immune system of the human body. It contains about 6 vitamins, though to a less degree, less content. It contains vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, niacin. It contains vitamin A. It has proteins which have 23 different amino acids. And this fruit date has amino acids which are not contained in other fruits which normally people have. It's not present in apple, oranges, banana, but it is there in the date. And date also has a very high content of fiber. It's a fibrous diet. So it's good for digestion. When you have date, the digestion gets cleared. It can cure constipation, and the digestive system is clear. It has various benefits, and it is a wholesome food. And we realize that, alhamdulillah, in the last 40 years, the production of date has increased by 2.9 times. And the population of the world has increased twice. So the date population is much more than the population of the human beings, because it's very wholesome food and instant energy.